Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that might just be the unsung hero for many Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500 users out there. The ABLEGRID 1M new USB data cable. If you've ever found yourself in need of a reliable replacement for your scanner's PC laptop cord, especially the PA03656B005 model, then you'll want to stick around for this. Now, right off the bat, it's important to note that this is an ABLEGRID brand replacement product, not a genuine Fujitsu cable. But don't let that deter you, because sometimes a well-made replacement can be just as good, if not better, than the original, especially when it comes to value. The manufacturer explicitly states that these units are tested and arrive in great working condition, which is exactly what you want to hear when you're looking for a functional piece of equipment. One of the biggest concerns with any third-party accessory is safety, and ABLEGRID seems to have addressed this head-on. They highlight that this is a replacement product, non-OEM, but 100% compatible. This compatibility is key, ensuring that your Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500 will communicate seamlessly with your PC or laptop without any hiccups. Beyond just compatibility, the quality assurance is a significant point of reassurance. This ABLEGRID cable is certificated with CE and RoHS standards, which are internationally recognized marks for safety and environmental compliance. Knowing that it meets these benchmarks certainly adds a layer of trust to its construction and performance. But where this cable truly shines, in my opinion, is in its highly protective features. We're talking about comprehensive safeguards designed to protect not just the cable itself, but more importantly, your valuable devices. It boasts overcharge protection, which prevents your devices from receiving too much power. Then there's overcurrent protection, guarding against excessive current flow. Overvoltage protection is also built in, shielding your equipment from damaging voltage spikes. And finally, a crucial one for any cable short-circuit protection, which can prevent serious damage in case of an electrical fault. These layers of protection are not just buzzwords. They represent a commitment to the longevity and safety of your scanner and computer. The cable itself is a standard USB Type-A connector, making it widely compatible with most laptops and PCs. Its 1 meter length offers a good balance between reach and avoiding excessive clutter, perfect for most desk setups. It's designed specifically for devices like the Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500, ensuring a snug and reliable connection for efficient duplex document scanning. In essence, what ABLEGRID offers here is a robust, safe, and highly compatible alternative to the original Fujitsu cable. If you're in the market for a new data cable for your ScanSnap iX500, and you appreciate modern design, rigorous testing, and a strong emphasis on safety features, this ABLEGRID cable presents itself as a very compelling option. It's a practical solution that aims to provide peace of mind alongside reliable performance for your scanning needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.